Not gonna lie, this was my favorite music in the game.
It was.
Here we go. Ready? Ready?
What?
It takes it a second. Yes.
Beautiful.
Where are we going? What am I doing?
You gotta go that way.
This way?
Over there.
This way.
I don't know. Oh. I guess this way.
If it isn't Sonic!
If it isn't Bane!
It sounds like he's got the map.
I am Dr. Robotnik, the greatest scientific
Why is he so quiet?
Whatever you say, Eggman.
Haha, he said Eggman.
I've got big plans, and now I'm gonna put them to work.
I'm going.
You're always up to no good. Now what do you want?
I want all of the Chaos Emeralds. Better not interfere, or else.
Do not interfere.
Or else what, you big loser?
Oh, suck ya
Got
cock.
him.
I'll take them from you by force, the hard way.
Yeah, because the hard, emphasis on hard, because I'm gonna suck your cock.
Oh no, he got. Where did he get that?
He just had it
Had that down
stashed down there in the ocean.
Oh, okay. Oh, systems full power.
Oh, I forgot about that. Oh, that's so intimidating. My God.
He's just gonna sit there now and not do anything.
You asked for it! Sits there and stares at him for 20 minutes.
Look at the glare in his sunglasses.
Also, you had to show us the engine just set this. Oh my God.
Oh, mercy.
Also, never really realized that Sonic just Naruto runs.
Yeah, I mean he's always done that.
Yeah, no, never mind. Alright, now.
You gotta hit him.
I like how that has the power to literally blow up machines and everything else. Hit Eggman directly in the head with it, like, oh!
Yeah.
You're not gonna get away with this!
Blow up robots, and, you know. Just that was like, when he gets nailed.
He's not gonna get away with this.
Also, those have got to be the slowest missiles. Yeah. I'm pretty sure I could dodge those. Like, you could walk at a moderate pace. And be like,
Eggman dies. And, oh, never mind. It's stuff that wasn't even connected.
Hey,
with
I'll
the
play with you some other time.
Oh, you don't even get an emblem for that? Wow.
I just got cheated.
You just beat Eggman, you know, like the main boss in any Sonic game, but it's fine.
What is he
He
doing?
looks very happy.
He looks like he's having a moment. That sound, I don't like
Well,
that.
that wasn't so hard.
Oh,
How did he see that?
Oh no!
How did he see that?
I don't know. But he
Aha! I see something that's directly behind me.
did. Also, where did the
Not-
fall?
how is he holding it?
Chaos, time to eat.
Chaos?
Where did he come
Chaos?
from? He just comes out of the ground.
Dude, he's a puddle. Don't question the puddle.
I still don't know how he's seen it.
Oh no, isn't that the same monster I saw the other day?
The other day, I thought that was like...
That was an incredible thing. And he still did it after he did it. Great. He's got an arm now.
Oh, yes. It's just as the stone tablets predicted.
Dude, the voice acting in this is so...
His strength increases every time I feed him a Chaos Emerald.
How come Eggman's right there?
All
Doesn't have
7
moves?
emeralds in him. He'll be invincible. And work for me.
And work for me. I'm just gonna pay him minimum wage starting out. Depending on how he does, I might give him a raise.
Robotnik Land, the
Possibly a
ultimate city,
promotion.
where I will rule it all.
Right now, I've kind of just got him
Let's find
washing
another
all
emerald,
the
shall we?
But once he has a full-on skeleton, I can actually have him do the heavy lifting.
Whoa, he just threw like a ninja vanish smoke bomb.
Ninja vanish!
Sonic! We can't let him get away with this, can we?
Yes.
Hell no!
Hey, Tails.
Hell no!
Without more emeralds, the monster can't
Bitch better get on back here with my shit!
It's up to us to get the emeralds before Eggman does, huh?
Huh? Oh, what?
What?
Oh,
You jumped.
okay. Cool. La 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 la. Where am I going?
I love to like just randomly, like out of nowhere, really explicit dialogue. Eggman shows him. He's like, "Holy shit! It's Eggman!" I love
You're
to
not
see
wrong.
That bitch. That'd be amazing.
They're just like, Tails, did you see the game the other day? Eggman jumps out of a bush. Sonic! Holy shit! It's Eggman! Ah!
That'd be amazing. Just jump.
That'd be great.
Where is what? Oh, it's Mr. Green.
This tribal music, man. What's in here? No, hit the stairs, hit the stair. Thank you, camera.
Oh, that's
Oh,
a nice
hey,
door.
we can just
You
go
walk
through the
it?
door. What's the point of this door if I can just go through it? Oh. Is this worse?
Sorry.
Is
That's where Tails lives.
this
You
is
see those yellow lines in the floor? That's the bed.
is this where he keeps the plane?
Maybe.
This is a tiny ass airplane. I don't know. Again, it's just right. No, I think he lives up there.
Get up there.
I want to see. No. Oh wait, you gotta get the bounce.
Oh yeah, that's right. The OP bounce.
The
Windstone.
Look. I'm pretty sure they just got some random homeless man.
They have no idea.
Like-
They just found some band on the street banging some drum and
And someone,
like
stepped on his-
Xbox, record that, and they just put it in the game.
Someone stepped on his toe, and he was like, "Ah! Oh man!"
The dev team approached him like, "We're making a game, and you would be perfect for the track and Mr. Grooms." What do you say? He was like, "Ah! Ah!" Just like that. That's what we'll use. That's the soundtrack.
Turns out it's the only way he can speak.
Even like when they're done recording. Like, perfect, that's it. Thank you for stopping by. Ah! It actually doesn't even speak English and has no idea why he's there.
He's like profusely sweating the whole time he's in the audio. Like
They
just got
they want
music
him to
playing in the
scream.
background. They're all just staring at him like, "Come on, do the thing." Ah!
He has
Ah!
he has no idea what it means.
Oh, dude, if we had another remote, you could.
whoa,
Why didn't-
whoa.
Hey, calm
Whoa,
down.
hey.
Hit the thing.
Hit Tails.
Kill it.
You're killing Tails.
Thank you. I had some more.
It's a wormhole.
See this right here? You see how this is blowing up and I'm destroying literal Earth? Oh, what? Why did he go through it? I thought he was supposed to bounce up again.
I agree. I agree. Oh yeah, but I think control like Cookie's Tails, couldn't I?
Yeah, that's exactly what I was trying to say. I'm gonna try this again. I'm gonna try this again. Possible in the back. Ah! What?
After this level.
What? What do you
The
want?
wind is making an
Tails.
invisible
Oh.
path. Don't be afraid. Go through the gate.
Hey, what is it? Just knock Tails off the map.
Also, I like how there's just this floating light, and it's like, hey, what's that? I'm gonna touch it, and it starts talking to me, and then
The
he's just
wind
like,
is making an invisible
He
path.
just flashes it.
Don't be
Oh,
afraid.
hey.
Go through the gate.
go through the gate. Why does it sound like someone teaching me? Oh my god, what is it?
Running on leaves. Boing.
It sounds
Whee!
like the voice for the little hint chick sounds like she's talking to a classroom full of kindergartners.
Does.
Oh,
I mean, well, that's pretty late in the game.
oh!
When? Does it do anything, or is it just a screen filter?
Oh no, it's sucking up a lot. Oh. It's sucking me up.
Sonic weighs more than a bullet.
Well. Tails is like, Sonic! I'm coming!
Inside a
Don't die!
You should be able to get out of the tornado.
I should be able to get out of the tornado.
Wow.
Also, I like how it sucks me up inside of it. But now there's just this perfectly stationary.
Jump on panel number 1.
It's a great little
It will
one.
take you to panels 2 and 3.
Wait, what if I want to skip
Jump
to
as
those
soon as you
pictures?
land on a panel or else
There's
you'll
4 and
fall.
5. Why didn't you mention 4 and 5, bitch?
I guess 1 and 2 and 3 are all that matters.
That's not okay.
Why is that bridge floating and nothing?
Yeah, what is that connected to? What is it?
Oh. I guess that makes sense.
That does definitely. Also, I like how it sucked up the terrain in such a perfect way, holding in
Eagle.
place to get out of it. Now, oh my god.
So patriotic.
How
Where? Oh, it's just a skybox. It's just a skybox.
There's no earth.
None.
It does not exist to give me a It's a bird!
It's a parrot.
You die. I hate this. Oh! Oh! Tracking bad!
Run fast. Just run faster. Just do that.
Oh, I trust me.
If you didn't get stuck on it,
Shut
while
up.
you fly.
Shut up. You know what's faster? Yes. And we're running on air.
Yay. You're running on leaves.
Oh, it's true.
Makes sense.
Yes. Oh, shortcut. Oh.
Thank you.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Skips.
Hey,
Eagle.
Touch the bird, touch the bird. Don't touch the bird. Oh.
How long is this level?
I don't know.
It looks exactly the same. Everywhere you go.
Oh,
That's not
buddy.
good.
Oh!
Oh,
Wait a second.
wind.
What? What?
Wind.
What?
Wind.
I'm sorry. Excuse me.
Land.
Oh!
Wait, did we just go backwards or was that another skip?
I have no idea. It all looks the
I
same.
don't know where we're at.
What was the wind doing?
What?
We're just running down.
What? What?
Uh,
Are you just running up?
I don't know. Honestly, at this point, I don't know. There's
Hey, 3 eagles.
my God,
Hey,
it's
chaos.
huge. Why is it so big? Oh, whoa, camera. Look at that. Look at that thing.
It looks very
Why is he
nice.
He's glitching. He's glitching. Dude, he's like, looks like a chihuahua that's being terrified.
Toes perfectly still.
Wait. Ah, it's inverted. He's just like, Sonic? Win. It caught me. I almost died. Okay.
Better get going.
Oh, okay. Let's get going.
Yes.
Cushy.
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah,
Level C
not bad.
completed.
Yay, I got two
Two.
thingies.
Much more required.
So many more.
The train headed for Station Square will be departing soon.
So, you hit the fuck on this thing?
So,
no, not airplane.
In other words, we're not leaving until you arrive.
Right? Oh my god. Dude,
Whoa.
it's Nigel Thornberry.
Oh.
This is our... I can't do it. I lost it.
No, I can do it.
Price I hope they're okay. It's just what it turns into.
Yeah.
What are we doing?
Go to Station Square. You may find something.
Wow.
Okay.
That's so helpful.
Oh, what? I didn't mean to jump that high. You may find something.
Like the next part of the game.
No.